I would say that he has made a choice. He has tapped me on the shoulder. He feels that this position is a position I can take forward as a chairperson, and I feel confident if he feels confident. Number one is the Prime Minister has said there will be audits and investigations into more than one organisation, whether it be statutory or not, within the government sphere. So that's number one. Number two is that we welcome an audit to see what the situation is, and once that audit is done, then we'll be in a better position to make a decision going forward. At present, we have reached out to the FBC Board and its CEO, sorry, not the board, its management and the CEO, and have asked gracefully for them to give us the information we need to make decisions on what the situation at FBC is. We are working through a process, and we are working within the law. We are coming here with a blank piece of paper. What we need is, just like the people of Fiji, I assume, we would like the CEO and the management to give us acquittals, give us reports, not just from 2008 to 2021, but also going forward. What's the plan going forward? Are we going to be reliant on, I'm not sure how much is, $10 or $11 million a year of public funds? You know, that's a lot of money. And if so, what are you using it on? What's the situation? So there's many questions we've got to ask, but also we're looking forward to receiving those answers on behalf of the people. The board will meet next Thursday, we believe. That's still to be confirmed. And then once we have more information, we will let the public know accordingly.